everyone, thanks for tuning in today. I'm Emily and I'm here with two of my friendly hosts, Madeline and Jillian.
And today we're going to be talking about the article, The Cultural Implications of Obituaries.
Obituaries are a type of genre that describes a person's death, whether it's a picture of them or a brief paragraph describing the circumstance of their death.
They also include funeral arrangements and names of family members still living.
But today we're going to be talking about the cultural differences between obituaries that the author has discovered.
The author of this article investigated obituaries across the country, such as Japan and Brazil.
In the article, it said a researcher studied Brazilian obituaries, which only described the funeral masses or giving thanks to people who cared for that person during their sickness. They didn't include the time of the person's death.
Another researcher studied obituaries in Japan. In their obituaries, they include the cause and the date together. They also include the address, and just in case anyone wants to send gifts to them.
From this research, they came to the conclusion that obituaries aren't as straightforward here as they are in other countries.
The author decided to do further research about obituaries and found out that there are subgenres about them.
One subgenre is called a death notice. A death notice is a couple of sentences of information about the person who has passed away, the location, and funeral arrangements.
On the other hand, obituaries consist of about 300 words that include a full detail about the person's life.
The author came to the conclusion that a person's obituary depends on whether the family wants to write it or pay to publish it.
It also depends on the funeral home because they help write and place them.
To sum up American culture on obituaries, the length and the quality is determined by the family members along with the funeral home.
The audience of obituaries in American culture are people outside of close family and friends to learn more about the person that they were.
The author gives us insight on different cultures and how they write obituaries.
After reading the article, we were shocked to learn about all the new things about obituaries.
And how many chat aspects like production and reception are even in obituaries.
This article made us realize how many things in the world require writing.
Thank you all for listening to our podcast.
We hope you enjoyed listening all about the cultural implications of obituaries.
Come back next week and hear more from us.
Woohoo!